If you think first class on a private jet still is not enough, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansion Motorhome Concept is the kind of fantasy machine that rewrites what luxury travel could be. Rolls-Royce has not announced this as a real product, so think of this as a vision of what would happen if Goodwood decided to build a rolling penthouse suite for the open road. From the outside, the mansion motorhome looks like a coach-built yacht on wheels. The nose carries a proud Pantheon-style grille with a softly lit spirit of ecstasy, slim crystal-like LED headlights, and a long, clean bonnet line flowing into a towering glass front. The body is high and perfectly smooth, with almost no visible seams. You see long, uninterrupted surfaces, soft two-tone paint, polished stainless accents, and massive yet understated wheels that look more like fine furniture pieces than off-the-shelf alloys. Side skirts hide the steps and mechanicals, and the roofline is gently chamfered so this 40-foot-plus motorhome still looks elegant rather than boxy. Press a hidden button, and a powered entry door glides open. Steps extend, and you leave the outside world behind. Inside, the mansion motorhome is laid out more like a luxury apartment than an RV. The front lounge is a proper salon, with opposing sofas in cashmere blend fabric or the softest leather, open pour wood inlaid with metal, a floating coffee table, and a starlight-style ceiling that can mimic the night sky. Large electrochromic windows can switch from clear to tinted to fully opaque at a touch, so you can choose panorama or total privacy. Behind the lounge, there is a gourmet galley, but done in Rolls-Royce style. Stone or composite countertops, hidden induction cooktops, a built-in coffee and tea station, full-height refrigerator disguised as cabinetry, and silent soft close drawers. Across from it, a dining nook seats 4 in real chairs, not bolted-down benches, with crystal and fine glassware held in gimbaled holders so nothing rattles, even on rough roads. Further back you find a full spa-like bathroom. Heated stone-look flooring, a real shower with rainfall head, upholstered walls for sound insulation, and a vanity that would not look out of place in a 5-star hotel. At the very rear sits the master suite. A full-size bed with bespoke mattress, integrated lighting, personal screens, a walk-in style wardrobe, and of course, another starlight roof overhead. With the press of a button, blinds close, lights dim, and the whole rear of the coach turns into a sanctuary under the floor. The mansion motorhome concept rides on a silent electric or range-extended electric platform, borrowing tech from Rolls-Royce Spectre and future large EVs. Multiple electric motors provide smooth torque to all wheels, with air suspension and active leveling that keep the cabin flat whether you are gliding down an interstate or creeping into a remote vineyard. In normal driving, it moves almost silently. Only when you ask for maximum power do you hear a subtle, curated sound signature inside, tuned more like a musical score than an engine note. The tech is there, but hidden. A central control system manages climate, lighting, blinds, and entertainment through discrete touch panels and voice control. A full suite of driver assistance, from adaptive cruise and lane assist to 360-degree cameras and automated parking, helps the chauffeur place this enormous coach exactly where it needs to be. Roof-mounted solar, a large battery bank, and silent auxiliary systems mean you can run the house portion for long periods without a generator hum. If something like the Rolls-Royce Mansion Motorhome ever reached production, you would be talking about ultra-rare, ultra-expensive territory. In US terms, you would realistically be looking at well into 7 figures, and with full bespoke commissioning for colors, materials, art, and layout, individual builds could climb far higher. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Mansion Motorhome Concept is for the kind of client who does not just want to arrive at a destination, but wants the journey itself to be the main event. It is a rolling mansion, a private club, and a luxury hotel suite, all sharing one chassis. If you enjoyed this look at the Rolls-Royce Mansion Motorhome Concept, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to Gray on Cars, and tell us in the comments how you would use a rig like this. Would it be your world tour home, a rolling VIP lounge, or the ultimate weekend escape palace? Thanks for watching. Drive safe, live in luxury, and we will see you in the next one.